My initial plan was to take the plastic liner out, go to my local hardware store, buy some 12mm ply, lay the liner on top of it and cut round it with a jigsaw and then fit it. And I worked out the prices on that, and then I looked at the kits already done online, and there wasn't much difference in it. By the time I've been in the van, I've paid for my fuel, took my time, bought it, got everything out, cut it to size and laid it down, I could have had it delivered for not an awful lot more. So I've sold the liner, that one's gone, that's put £40 back in the kitty, and for £150 I bought some 12mm ply. That's cut exactly for this van, and that's delivered to my door. Let's have a look at it. That's delivered. 12mm. All the holes cut in. And millimetre perfect, and should just drop straight in. As easy as that. No messing about, no cutting, no journey to the local DIY store. Fits like a glove. Worth the extra. The little extra. That's the flooring in. So, doesn't it look nice? It's in 3 sections. Very, very easy to transport and manoeuvre. Just got to line it up and then screw it down. But pretty much that's it. Easy job. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching this next stage of the motorcycle campervan build. On the next video I'm going to tackle the installation on the walls and ceiling. I've got the recycled plastic from Dodo Mat and the thermo barrier as well. As always, I thank you very much for watching. If you've got any comments, please drop them below. I answer all my comments. Please subscribe to my channel. It costs you absolutely nothing and it helps me make content like this. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.